False Irish, welcome back to your Irish for Parents weekly mini lesson. We're going to look at how to say, are you hungry in Irish as Gaeilge. Even if you feel like you know this one, this is your reminder to actually use it at home because your kids hearing the language is the most important thing. That's how they're going to improve their own Irish. That's how they're going to find Irish easier at school, and that's how they're going to be able to be fluent themselves. So Landon Miserai will continue on to, are you hungry? Nice and easy. It's on will uchris earth. On will uchris earth, or on bhfuil with a V sound. On bhfuil uchris earth. On bhfuil uchris earth. Are you hungry? Now, just a reminder that BH is pronounced like a W in Connacht and Ulster, and it's pronounced like a V in Munster and in the standard Irish, which you might have learned at school, especially if you're from Leinster. So if you pop this phrase into opera.ie, you're going to be able to hear it in each of the dialects. Looking in British is not much to break down here really. On will is the question form of a verb to be, and that's be I father be. And then if you pop this into changlin.ie, you'll be able to see this in all of the different tenses, or if your kids have a little Brihar na Gaeilge, little Irish verbs book, you'll be able to see that this is the question form in the present. So on will to is are you. And then we use earth, so on will uchris earth. Earth means on you, and this is from the preposition air, which is on. So air is on, is on me, earth is on you, air is on him, he's on her, erin is on us, is on you plural, and then erhu is on them. So if you want to change, if you have more than one child, then you would go down to plural, second person, and you would say on will uchris eri, or on will uchris erv. Are you hungry? Plural to more than one child. So if you popped air into the changlin.ie, the dictionary, this is where you'll get all the different forms. You can also get these lists really, really handy online as well. Sinead and Shot, that's it for this week. Gurmil Mahad, thank you so much. If you are watching this on YouTube and you're not subscribed to a newsletter, you can do that down below. We also do free workbooks for the kids, Chulahachtan every week or Gachshachtan every week. And if you are a parent and you don't yet have our Gaeilge guides for parents, then Tatorla, what's happening? These are the best resources and the only resource like it for parents. It gives you all of the Irish that you need to be able to speak Irish at home, like this. Our parents report their kids speaking Irish back to them so quickly. Within just a couple of weeks, their kids are speaking Irish back to them. They're doing better at school, and you're able to understand their homework better and just pass on the language to your kids. They'll be able to put it on their CV that they can speak Irish when they're older. It's rud intache. It's something so amazing to do for your kids. And if you're watching this, you already have an interest. So, gur mille maha the reach. Thank you so much again. I'll see you next week. August long fall. Bye for now.